Trader worth the risk here with the Crypto Collective. Just wanted to do a quick update for you guys on XRP Ripple. I'm just going to go over why I think it's still bullish in the short term. Now, as you guys know, we have the XRP airdrop coming up on the 12th of December. So I personally think maybe just before that period of time, we're probably still going to keep heading up, and I'm going to go over why now. So this is the 1 month chart for XRP. I use Polynex because it's got the historical data, so we can see the important areas. And you can see down here we've got it's a monthly order block. If you don't know what an order block is, you can see these kind of massive moves. And at the bottom and top of them, sometimes in the middle, you have these tiny little blocks. And these areas become support and resistance. So we're looking for the price to kind of react to these areas we've marked on the chart. We can also see we've got this area here where the price kind of skyrocketed up from. And we've also got this area here, as well as this kind of block here, which is all marked on the chart. So right now on the 1 month chart, we've got 21 hours until we get the next candle, and XRP is starting to push up into this area. So we're on the weekly chart now, and we still can't see too much here. We've got 6 more days to the close. We've had 2 massive green candles. So there's a lot of buyers there. Definitely people are trying to jump on to cash in on this airdrop. And looking on the daily chart, you can see how we've actually got these 3 candles here. Now I'm going to go into my Discord server just so I can show you guys a quick image. This is what it's called a Morningstar candlestick pattern. So you have these 3 candles, you have a large red one, and then a kind of indecision candle. And then the third candle will be a large green one, and it will be larger than 50% of the size of the first red candle. And this is a sign, a potential sign that the buyers are coming in strong and that the price can actually continue up. So that's the Morningstar candlestick pattern. So I don't actually just trade off this pattern, but I use it with other, technical analysis techniques just to give me an idea of when the chances are with me. I've got a higher chance for a long trade because this pattern is showing a possibility of strength in buyers. So this Morningstar here, it's right off this long-term area that I marked here. You can see I've got a few different ones. And when they overlap, it shows me that that's a kind of important area. So we actually painted that pattern right on it, which is a pretty good sign to me. And if you also look, we've got, I'm going to go to the 4 hour so we can get a better look. So this is a bull pennant pattern. So this is the bull pennant here. It's very similar to the bull flag. They're basically almost the same pattern. So we've played that out on XRP. As you can see, we broke out here and we've kind of headed up now. And now there's actually another bull flag here. As you can see, this bull flag is broken out. Now it's come back down. So until we get, while we're above this area still here on XRP, which is around 3,100 Satoshis, I'm expecting it to continue up in anticipation of the airdrop. And let's also look here. I'm just going to delete these lines to clean up the chart a bit. And we've got another really bullish pattern here. So you can see this kind of swing here. It's called a bump, and then we've got the run here. Here's an image explaining it. This is a bump and run bottom. It's a really strong pattern. It usually shows that the potential is there for a really strong and quick reversal upwards. So we broke out of that pattern here, and now we've put in another kind of bull flag or a parallel channel. We've broken out, and we're just retesting now. So if we hold this line, XRP should continue up from here. If that actually happens, it's also going to be a really ugly inverse head and shoulders pattern forming here. Now, before everyone starts complaining and stuff, I get these people on every single post I make. This is actually a downtrend. So an inverse head and shoulders can still work here, although it's not ideal. So before you get your OCD and start, saying, oh, it's not possible, blah, blah. It can work. If you go back on your charts, you can see them play out yourself many times. But when you trade these inverse head and shoulders that are kind of in the middle of consolidations or retracements of uptrends, they don't have as high of a success rate. So I just use them to, like, I'm already in a trade and I used other techniques. I'm using that as a tool to see where we can go. Like, the likelihood is we're going to come up here and test that breakout, and we're probably going to come back down until we break out properly. Unless we don't hold this line here, this potential channel or bull flag, that means we're going to come back down here. If we lose this support area, I'd be really cautious, because a confirmed close under here, we're probably going to head down. But until that happens, while we hold this support around 2,900 sats or so, I'm expecting XRP to continue upwards, and I'm hoping for it to push to at least 3,800 to 4,000 sats. If we can reclaim this area here, which is 4,050 or so, like this, and get a nice bounce here, I'm expecting it to push up to the 4,500 or maybe even 5,000 area. Now, it's also going to be very important to watch what happens with Bitcoin. I'm not going to go over it in this update. It's just for XRP, but Bitcoin is just grinding up. I'll just cover it really quickly before I finish. It's just grinding up. It's coming to a resistance area, and the altcoins are pretty much following Bitcoin to a T at the moment. So if it has a rejection here, we could see XRP come down. But overall, while Bitcoin is bullish, XRP should continue to head up here. It looks like it's finding support right now. So the next target area for me is going to be around 3,800 to 4,000 on XRP. So I'll just show the image once more. That's the bump and run bottom. All these images are available for free in Discord for you guys to use if you want to check them out. And if you enjoyed the video and you found it informative, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, because I put my personal time in to produce these videos to keep you guys informed about what's going on in the market. So I'd appreciate it if you support the channel. So that's it for today on XRP, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next update.